Right off at the top of this video here, this is all about a product that I'm seeing online. It's called Lipo Fit. And this is a bottle of pills. It's got like some green colors on the bottle. And what I'm seeing, I'm not making my video here to call the product itself a scam or tell you it's legitimate. What I am saying is I'm seeing scam marketing out there being done by someone. And there's no credible evidence tying it to the company. Could be an affiliate, could be a misuse of the product. But I do want to inform you about what I saw because you maybe saw the same thing and you might think, should I get this? This sounds really interesting. And I want you to make an informed decision. Please hit like down below. That'll help other people find my video and avoid what looks like a scam marketing funnel. And again, no credible evidence this is tied to the company or product or whatever called Lipo Fit. I just want to inform you about what I found. So if you look here at my screen, you can see there's going to be a video I'm going to show you, and I'm going to hit play on this. They already show a woman who has nothing to do with this holding her baby. That's why it's all blurred. I'm going to unblur it here as soon as she gets done talking. But there are going to be a lot of deepfakes in this video. Deepfakes meaning manipulated lip movement with AI-generated audio. So people you see talking in this video have nothing to do with this. Maybe there'll be some fake testimonials that the scam marketing people gathered. But let's hit play on this. This eventually goes to Lipo Fit. And it goes through a scam marketing funnel, not through an official website. So if you see Lipo Fit out there and you're looking up Lipo Fit reviews and complaints, Lipo Fit ingredients, Lipo Fit for weight loss, anything like that, this is something that I'm seeing going through a scam marketing funnel. If there are any official websites out there, I'm not talking about that. Let's hit play on this.
This little baby made me gain 28 pounds during pregnancy, and I managed to lose it all before he even turns 3 months old. Thanks to the gelatin trick. This is exactly what I would do if I wanted to lose between 21 to 25 pounds in just 2 weeks.
So Dr. Jennifer Ashton from GMA, Good Morning America, and ABC has nothing to do with this. This is a deep fake of her face, her lip movement, making it look like she endorsed this product. Dr. Jennifer Ashton never endorsed Lipo Fit. So if you're looking up Lipo Fit, Dr. Jennifer Ashton, she has no involvement, nor does any other doctor, hospital, university, famous person. From what I'm seeing so far, this is going to be the Kelly Clarkson video. They're going to show Rebel Wilson. They're going to show, who else? Adele and other people who have nothing to do with this. I think they might also show Kourtney Kardashian. They have nothing to do with this whatsoever.
That means at least 1.5 pounds per day. And yeah, losing about 1.5 pounds a day is totally doable. So grab a pen and paper. I'm going to break it all down for you. If you haven't seen it yet, this is the same trick that's going viral across social media.
That's a completely AI-generated person right there. You can tell she's a little too shiny, a little too smooth. And she's holding gelatin because they want to sell you on the fact that they want you to think there's a gelatin trick recipe for weight loss. And there is no gelatin trick. This is a marketing term scammers made up in order to sell you on these sorts of products through scam marketing funnels. And again, I'm not saying the company has anything to do with it. Lipo Fit, misuse of the product right here is what we're seeing in terms of, I've found no evidence tying the company to this. So the promise of a recipe in a video like this is the classic scam thing because they want you to watch the whole video. So how do they do that? They keep promising and dangling a recipe, but they'll never reveal a recipe. They'll keep telling you they're going to reveal it. By the end of the video, it's a bottle of pills. Lipo Fit reviews and complaints. If you're looking for that on Google or wherever, I hope that I'm providing you information about this sort of thing because you maybe saw a scam funnel and you're trying to find information about that, and that's what you're searching for.
After Valerie, Bertinelli, and Adele leaked it as the hidden secret behind their amazing weight loss transformation. I'm posting bikini pics for the first time ever. I'm looking in the mirror and loving what I see. This gelatin trick is the best for losing weight without messing with your health or going on a diet.
Valerie Bertinelli has nothing to do with this, nor does Adele.
That's what I've been doing on TV all these years. So
fake photo, AI.
An option for me.
Last week I saw people saying I used some kind of pink salt recipe. Where do people even get this stuff?
The people who are running this scam marketing funnel, probably from Brazil, are the same people likely who created the pink salt trick recipe. And so that's why they just mentioned the pink salt thing. That's something that went around a whole lot last year, 2025, and maybe even 2024. Same as the turmeric hack and all that. These things are designed as marketing terms to get people to buy products for their health that in reality goes through a scam marketing funnel, might be an unofficial use of the product and not even the real bottle of pills, or it is the real bottle of pills or whatever. And it won't actually do something that can help someone's health. So someone out there is profiting on the idea of let's find a way to make money. If it hurts the health of other people, who cares? That's their way of living in life. apparently. And as long as they make money, I guess that's okay with them. And as long as they, are able to, in their brains, put it on the consumers, the people out there who are in need of health miracles because their health is declining, they blame them for falling for scams that they themselves designed. And that's their way that they want to live. That's their way that they want to go through life.
Look, the only thing I use to lose weight is the gelatin trick Dr. Ashton
Fake photo, AI.
But listen up. Even though this trick works for everyone, it works faster for women over 35 and moms.
You see, just 21 days ago, I felt bloated, tired, and stuck.
Deepfake.
But everything changed when I started using this gelatin recipe. I'm already down 31 pounds.
This exact recipe,
AI photo.
gelatin, lemon, and apple cider vinegar,
AI
has
photo.
already gone viral with over 21.
Completely AI generated person.
But so many people missed the original video
Deepfake.
and kept asking me how to make it. So I decided to share it again. Especially because by using this gelatin trick, you'll trigger a fat burn process inside your body that will...
There is no gelatin trick for weight loss. It's a marketing term to get you to watch a video and buy a bottle of pills at the end.
You need to stop using it when you know.
And as for why someone would buy the bottle of pills after they've been promised and lied to about a recipe, that's a question that I have too. Some people just buy the bottle. I don't know why they do it.
Notice that none of your clothes fit anymore. And no, you are not going to diet. You can keep eating pizza and drinking hot chocolate. As a doctor, when I saw this gelatin trick, I thought it was a joke. But when I saw the research from Harvard and Johns Hopkins confirming everything, I knew this was indeed clinically proven. Now, women in their 50s and 60s are using this simple homemade gelatin trick to naturally melt
AI.
fat. No injections,
Completely.
no crazy diets, no yo-yo weight gain. Meanwhile,
the
others
ASMR.
are still wasting thousands on injections that only make them feel worse. Want the recipe? So this video is the right place for you. My name is Dr. Jennifer Ashton, and if you don't know me, let me introduce myself. I'm a board-certified OBGYN, a Columbia University graduate, and ABC News chief medical.
Yeah, she's a good doctor, whatever. Like of course, like I emailed her once about a scam, I think 2 or 3 years ago. These have been going around for a long time. They keep misusing her. She has no involvement with these sorts of products or a gelatin trick. And the unfortunate thing that's going to come out of this is that there are going to be, I have to think, at least thousands of people that think that Dr. Jennifer Ashton had something to do with creating a gelatin trick. And some of those people are going to be mad at her, despite the fact she has nothing to do with any of this. People are misusing, and you might be saying, well, how come ABC, GMA, where are their lawyers going after the people behind this? I don't know. It's a good question. I mean, it takes time, money, effort to find the people and then to take them to court and all that. And maybe they figure it's just not worth it. I don't know. But what I'm trying to get across to you is this. If you see this going around online, it's called Lipo Fit, and you see it tied to a doctor with miracle claims. This Lipo Fit product could just be a product that helps you with, just a normal weight loss supplement, doesn't have miracle properties, something like that, from what I can tell. Whatever, if that's the case, would you then spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on it? Probably not. So just know that this is going around with scam marketing funnel aspects around it, and that I can't find any credible evidence tying the company Lipo Fit to the product or anyone who owns it, making that very clear. Anyway, money back guarantees, you can't trust them when they go through scam funnels. Might come with subscription charges of hundreds of dollars a month. Might come with a higher total price than they claim on the page where you fill out your information. And so on and so forth. They also claim it has a 9.4 out of 10 review score with 32,624 reviews. It's a fake review score. And that goes through a scam marketing funnel, not an official website. Not really great, right? BHEVER. So anyway, that's all that I've got with this product. I hope that you benefited from watching my video. Just don't fall for these scams. Go see a doctor. If you're like, Big Pharma's a scam, doctors are a scam, Jordan, I'm like, okay, hold on. Don't go fall for a deepfake AI scam marketing funnel. Instead of going to see a doctor in your town, ask a friend, a family member, say, hey, I don't like my doctors. Do you like your doctor? Who are they? And then go get their doctor's information and go make an appointment. That's way better than falling for an online scam. And people still argue with me even about that in my comments sometimes. I'm just like, I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you not lose your money to a deepfake AI scam. And I hope that you can benefit from what I'm trying to tell you. I made more than 1,000 of these videos and just like continue to, maybe even 1,500. I don't know. I have so much experience in this weird aspect of living on this planet online marketing scams. And I hope that you'll just take my word for it that if you see a deepfake AI scam, you shouldn't be giving them your money. So thank you so much for watching.